Hey everybody, John here. I think it's finally time we do a sharpening video. So, sharpening the Norseman's a little funky because there are two distinct edges, and if you sharpen them all at once, you'll lose the little pointy bit right there. So, if there's anybody out there that's getting pretty good at sharpening these with whatever system you use, like a Wicked Edge or Spyderco SharpMaker or by hand or whatever, I'd like to get you guys involved in this video too. We've got a couple methods here, a couple different sharpening systems we're going to show, but if you guys want to take some footage of your own stuff, do a quick pan of like, this is the Wicked Edge that I'm using, and like a minute of footage of how you use it, that would be really helpful. And if you want us to share it in the video, then send it on over to us. There'll be a link in the description to a forum where you can upload the videos, and I think it would help make a really cool dynamic video, get you guys involved too. So you don't have to show your face or anything, but a little bit of footage, couple clips here and there, or even pictures of like those mirror polished edges that some guys are doing with the strops and stuff. We can add those pictures in the video too. So I want to create a video that is kind of all-encompassing so that you, the user, can watch that and maybe learn something that you can apply yourself. I feel like the stuff we have here, the way Eric sharpens knives is with a $2,000 grinder. So not everybody's going to be able to do that. So I want to be able to include ways that you guys can actually do it at home as well. So yeah, if you want to be involved in that, hit us up, let us know. We would really appreciate it. Should make a cool video. All right, take care, bye.